Here's the box the Photron P10 Bluetooth speaker comes in. We have got a picture of the speaker up front. Let us open the seal of the Bluetooth speaker. Up top is the speaker itself. Keeping it aside, underneath we get the user manual, which hardly one reads. Opening up the side deck, we get a micro USB cum aux cable for charging and aux playback. Enough of that, now let's talk about the speaker. The Photron P10 has an awesome build quality and is absolutely made out of metal. We have got the Photron branding on the front, rather on the edges, and the speaker unit up top. The speaker is really tiny and is very much portable, so it can be carried here and there quite firmly. Sound quality, here's a track.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
One thing you must have noticed is that crystal clear and punchy bass, but also that LED. Yes, it's really powerful, and with lights turned off, that halo ring of blue light looks insane. Placements are here: a mode button followed by a volume up, a play pause called receive button, and a volume down button. Here's the power on off switch, a slot for micro SD, micro USB for charging, and a charging status indicator. Haven't liked the video yet? Do smash the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, then what are you waiting for? Subscribe and press the bell icon for future content. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.